Uh-oh.
Has this ever happened to you?
Oh no! How am I going to get that out of my carpets?
Carpet cleaners are one of those things you don't need until you desperately need one. And the key to getting tough stains out of nice carpet is to work fast. That's why having a carpet cleaning machine on standby is actually a pretty good idea.
I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and in this review I'm going to test out the Bissell Spot Clean Pro on both carpet and upholstery, and I'll also take a look at how it compares to another popular Bissell product, the Little Green Pet Pro. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider becoming a subscriber, since both those things do help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
Let's take a look at what you get. Inside the box, there's the machine itself with a 5-foot hose on one side of the cleaner and a 20-foot power cord on the other side. You get a 3-inch tough stain tool and a 6-inch stair tool, plus an 8-ounce trial bottle of cleaning formula. Seeing as Bissell aimed to make this carpet cleaner portable, the machine itself weighs about 13 pounds. Let's not pretend that's light, but it is definitely movable.
If you're surfing around and you're comparing other Bissell devices, you might be wondering what the differences are between something like the Spot Clean Pro compared to the Little Green Pet Pro.
At their core, these are essentially the same machine, like exactly the same. Why one is under the SpotClean branding while the other uses Little Green is a bit beyond me. What differs truly is just the attachments that come with each. In this case, the Pet Pro gives you a special pet stain tool, while the Spot Clean Pro swaps that for a wider 6-inch carpet and stair tool. The cleaning solution is also pet specific or just regular.
Now, what can you clean with this machine? Well, the Spot Clean Pro is classified as a carpet cleaner. It can also clean other things like your stairs, upholstery, rugs, and even the interior of your car. This carpet cleaner isn't advertised as specifically for pets, but it can still do a great job of getting pet stains out of the carpet.
Let's get to the cleaning. Job 1 is to fill the clean water tank with about 3/4 of a gallon or about 3 liters of water and add about 2 ounces of cleaning solution. You can use hot water to a maximum of 140 Fahrenheit or 60 Celsius, then set the tank back into the device. The included 3-inch stain tool is good for more narrow spaces like vehicle seats or chairs, while the wider 6-inch stair tool is, as you might have guessed, great for cleaning stairs and larger carpeted or upholstered spaces. Each attachment just clicks onto the hose and it's ready to use. When you're ready to go, plug in the machine and hit the power button. To clean a spot, hold the attachment nozzle about 1 inch away from the spot before you press the spray trigger button. Cleaning solution will be sprayed onto the surface, and then you can use the bristles of the brush to slowly scrub stains away. On easier spills, the Spot Clean Pro lifted them up and cleaned the area quickly and easily. Now, if you've got a spot with a bad stain, the 5.7 amp suction power can lift it even better if you hold the attachment on it and apply some downward pressure. The key to successful carpet cleaning, though, is to get stains like coffee or red wine fast, or to apply a pre-treater or some soda to keep them from setting. I let this coffee stain set in before cleaning it, and while the Spot Clean Pro did a good job of removing most of the stain, it's not a miracle worker. You might need a special carpet spot treater to get any residual staining. During my testing, I found that a combination of the strong suction, a pre-treater or a special spot cleaner, and a couple of passes was often enough to tackle most carpet stains. This is the red wine spill from earlier, and as you can see, it's almost completely gone. I will add the Bissell Spot Clean Pro is quite loud when it turns on. This is probably no surprise to anyone who's used a carpet cleaner before, but it is quite noisy since it needs to generate enough power and suction to truly lift out set-in stains, but just so you know. I also used the Spot Clean Pro on furniture. While it makes a pretty wet mess of the furniture during the cleaning process, once everything dries, it does look a whole lot better.
While it would be so much easier to just put the machine in the closet after you're done, maintenance is actually key to the longevity of this carpet cleaner and really any other one.
You should rinse off the brushes and let them dry. In addition, Bissell also recommends you suction clean water out of a sink, bowl, or bucket to rinse the hose out. Doing this will also prevent any lingering junk from hiding inside the machine and rotting, creating bad smells. Finally, empty and rinse the dirty water tank and then wrap up the hose and the power cord on their respective sides of the base using the brackets.
Overall, the Bissell Spot Clean Pro is a handy and capable machine. For anyone with pets or kids and carpet, having some type of emergency system for cleaning up spills and stains is pretty much a must. And since the alternative is pricey commercial cleaners or needing to replace your carpet rug or even some upholstery, I think a carpet cleaner is actually a pretty wise investment. For that reason, the $164 US or $199 Canadian price tag for this machine actually seems like kind of a bargain. Of course, you will have to replenish your cleaning solution bottles, but most of those are priced around the $20 US to $26 Canadian range.
The SpotClean Pro cleans well, and the attachments it comes with are useful, and I could certainly opt to buy more if I ever need to. Cleaning and maintaining the machine takes just a few minutes, and it doesn't feel too much like a chore.
So what are the downsides? This machine is a bit on the large and heavy side, and it operates quite loudly, but I think both of those things are actually necessary to it operating effectively, so it's kind of hard to mark Bissell down for this. In short, I can definitely recommend the Bissell Spot Clean Pro to you if you need to keep a carpet cleaner at home on standby. If you're not sold on this one and you're looking for something with a little more power or a different design, check out this upright model from Tyneco. And of course, you can watch the full review of the other machine I called out here, the Little Green Pet Pro, right now. In short, I can definitely recommend the Bissell Spot Clean Pro.